Hello students, good morning. Today we will study the next topic of the trigonometry, that is trigonometry of complementary angles. We are knowing it very well that what is complementary angles. Complementary angles is that the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then each angle is said to complement of each other, such as if A plus B is equal to 90 degree, therefore A is said to be complement of B, a complementary angle of B, or B is said to be complementary angle of A. Here we have to study about trigonometry. So what we will do, just we will use the trigonometric ratios. Suppose there is one angle A. Let a triangle, if it is a triangle, here it is 90 degree, A, B, C. This is angle A. Then according to the formula of complementary angles, we will have sine A. Sine A, or it is also written as cos of 90 minus A. If we will subtract cos 90 minus A, then it will be equal to sine A. Or sine A can be written as cos 90 minus A, where A is the angle, both A will be same. Same way, if we will try to write the cos, then cos will also come as same. Cos A is equal to sine 90 minus A. 90, these are the angles, so we will use degree also. You can use here 90 degree. I am not using it because it is written as usual like this. Same way, tan can be written in order to cot. Sec can be written as cosec, and same way cosec can be written as sec, and the last one, this is cot. This can be written as tan 90 minus A. These are the 6 complementary angle formula based on trigonometry. This formula is very useful in order to solve some of the questions, or in order to evaluate some of the questions, such as we will have some question and we will see how to solve and how to use these complementary angles. Here I will use this formula to solve some questions. Suppose we will have one question that evaluate. Here we will have tan 26 by cot 64. Evaluate first part, tan 26 degree by cot 64 degree. Like this it is. Then how we will solve? We are not knowing the value of tan 26 degree. We are knowing tan 0 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 45, tan 16, tan 90, but we are not knowing the value of tan 26 degree. It is coming in between. So how we will solve this type of question? How we will evaluate? Until we will not know the value of both these trigonometric with respect to the given angle, then we are unable to get the answer. So in order to solve this one, we will use complementary angle. Tan 26, tan A. 26 is the angle. Suppose 26 is equal to A, then tan A can be written as cot 90 minus A. If there is two trigonometric ratios, then out of those two we will change only one. So we will change in the numerator. What it will come? Cot 90 minus the same angle we will write 26 degree by cot 64 degree. Out of these two, one angle I have changed. It depends on your choice. You can change denominator also. Next, on subtracting, what we will get? Cot 90 minus 26. It will come 64 degree divided by cot 64 degree. Since both are same, so on cancelling each other, we will get 1 as our answer. Same way, some another question also we will see. Just note down this formula for your further procedure. Next question that we will have here, that is tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 and tan 67. To prove, it is a question, it is given here, prove that tan 48, tan 23, tan 42 and last one is tan 67 is equal to 1. Since there is no any sign in between, therefore all of these with multiply. All these with multiply with each other. So we will see that which two angle on adding it will be complement. 48 plus 23, it will not give us 90 degrees. So we will check another 48 plus 42. These two angle will give us 90. So from these two, on checking the angle, after checking at the angle, that which two angle is giving us 90 degree, after that out of those two, one angle we will change. So I will change 48 one, LHS, it will come as cot 90 minus 48. Another one just write as usual, tan 42 degree. Now 23 plus 67, it will also give us 90. So out of these two, one I will change, cot 90 minus 23 degree into tan 67 degree. Now after subtracting the angle, what we will get? Cot 42 degree into tan 42 degree into cot 67 degree into tan 67 degree. Now since cot is opposite of tan, we are knowing it, so we can write the cot as 1 by tan also. So cot we will write 1 by tan 42 degree into tan 42 degree. Again this cot we can write it as tan 67 degree, and here we will have tan 67. On cancelling each other, we will get it as 1, that is equal to our RHS. Same way we can solve any of the question, but the first thing is that we need to see that which two angle on adding is giving us complementary angles. And the one most important question from this topic that we are going to explain, I will explain you just now. And the same type of question mainly coming in the examination also. The question is, okay, two type of question I will explain. Here one question is, if sec 4a, question is, if sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20, cosec a minus 20 degree, then find a. Find a. How we will find? Same way, whatever it is given, we will change it into complementary angles. It is given here, sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. Either this side or that side we can change. So I am changing from LHS. Sec 4a can be written as cosec 90 minus 4a is equal to, this side we will have cosec a minus 20. Both side trigonometric ratios are same, cosec cosec. It will be cancelled, but we are not able to show it as cancelled. Only we will remove the term. So angle we will have 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. Now on solving, 20 will come this side, it will become 90 plus 20. 110 is equal to 4a will go in the plus, so it will be 5a. Therefore a is equal to 110 by 5. How much? 22 degree. Value of a will be 22 degree. I hope this will This you have understood. Next important type of question that I'm having here, that is here it is given, if there is three angles of a triangle and some part is given, we need to show something. It is given here, if A, B and C are angles of a triangle, then show that, what we need to show here, that tan B plus C divided by 2 is equal to cot A by 2. That we need to show. How we will show here? Simple way. Either take LHS or RHS, we will able. I am taking here LHS. LHS is given as tan B plus C by 2. Now, since A, P and C are the angle of a triangle, so by angle sum property, on adding all the three angles, it will give us 180. Let it be equation 1. Then we can write here, since A, B and C are angles of triangle, therefore A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. But here, according to our question LHS, we will have B plus C. What we can write? This implies B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus A. Let it be equation 2. In equation 1, put the value of B plus C from 2. From 1 and 2. What we will have then? Tan, in place of B plus C, we can write 180 minus A by 2. Now, we can separate 180 and A with 2 separately. Tan 2 can be written with 180 as well as with A. It is just opposite of the LCM. From this lower term, if we will take LCM, then it will come this like. So we will have here tan 180 by 2, 90 minus A by 2. Now, just see, we are knowing it that tan 90 minus A can be written as cot A, or cot A can be written as tan 90 minus A. In place of A, what is written here? A by 2. So it can be written as cot A by 2. That is equal to our RHS. Hence, proved. This is one of the important question, and this type of question mainly come in your examination. Just go through your exercise and whatever the book you will have, and go through the exercise to solve this type of question. So, for the next topic, we will see the next video. Thank you.